This is what you breathe every day. If you or your kids cough more at night or have pets, you definitely need this. So Zach used to cough only at night, and finally our doctor suggested to get this. This purifier has Wi-Fi control, so I get notifications when air quality is bad. I turn it on and off even being at work, and can put a child lock so Zach doesn't mess with the settings. See how I am updated in real time. You feel the air freshness immediately and will definitely see improvement in irritations and cough.